I have a pumpkin. I'm going to the bowl. What am I going to make? Did you know that pumpkins come from Mexico? And what am I going to make? A coach for a beautiful ride to meet my prince? No, not really. I'm going to make a wonderful thing and I cannot wait to share it with you. And I hope you do it because it is so delicious. Most commonly, you will make a soup or pumpkin pie, which is so famous, but I'm going to make a wonderful jam. I'm taking the seeds and I'm saving it because I'm planning to plant them again. Let's see if it works. Do you remember that I was planting it in the garden and we had so many flowers and it was so beautiful, growing so much, but in the end we had a courgette. Yes, I planted the seeds of this pumpkin seeds, and then we had a courgette. With the seeds, you can dry them and roast them and eat them with a little bit of salt, and it's just as delicious, and you can use it in salads and everything you want. But that is for another time. Now let's go back to our jam. You're just going to need sugar and pumpkin. So whatever amount of pumpkin you will have, you will use half of sugar. This is my measurement, but you can add a little bit more if you want to save it for a long period of time, and a little bit less if you're just going to use it straight away. It's going to be a small amount of pumpkin and then half of that amount in sugar. And here I am adding already the sugar. I'm adding white sugar and muscovado sugar because I just like the flavors, and I'm going to mix everything together. And I forgot to hit the record button, but he was showing on the scales that I had 1 kilo of sugar and 2 kilos of the diced pumpkin. Now I am mixing the two ingredients together and it will macerate for 30 minutes. And the maceration will allow the sugar to help to extract the juices from the fruits or vegetables. And this will become the syrup that will help to maintain for a longer period of time, and it gives the delicious flavor of the sweet pumpkin. First, it needs to start to boil, and then you will reduce to a minimum and you will allow to cook very slowly until the liquid is reduced. And I just feel now that I am making a magic potion. If you like a little magic in the kitchen, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and to give your like, comments, and share with your friends so we can grow and have more recipes that are delicious and original. On a sterilized jar, I'm going to put my jam and 2 sticks of Ceylon cinnamon. And I'm going to make my friend Maya try it for the first time. She really didn't want to, but she tried it, and look at her expression. And I'm so grateful for this amazing woman. I love her so much. She's so special.
I'm so excited to try another Portuguese specialty. And what am I trying here?
She doesn't even know.
She does.
Bombastic side-eye.
This is great.
This is an exquisite recipe, so cheap and such a reward to your taste buds. Enjoy!